Hello to everyone, greetings to everyone over and all. Today, I have pinaka-super overhead all predictions regarding on apocalypse. Yes, my TV is broken, my computer is repairing because it's already broken and now it's repairing now. Humans trouble, over and all trouble. Planets, outer spaces, galaxy, universe, over and all trouble. I don't know why, over and all. Today I will announce this. Okay, are you ready? Don't make a heart attack, over and all. Today it's the apocalypse day. Yes, it's time to prepare ourselves in the real life in apocalypse world, like insomnia, over and all.